Why do 90% of startups fail? There is a formula that helps you understand the reason. By answering few questions, you will be able to get a value of the success rate. Question 1, do you have enough capital? Question 2, is there a good management? Question 3, are you well connected? Question 4, is the development as planned? Question 5, did the big competition notice you? Question 6, is there a demand? Question 7, is pricing forecast accurate? Question 8, can you enforce patents? Question 9, is customer education needed? Question 10, is marketing done right? After you have answered the questions, give them a value. Check the article in the description to better understand how to grade the answer.